Hi everyone and welcome to our blog. My name is James Cuervo and I am your senior Revit instructor here at Digital Drafting Systems. Today's topic is schedule templates. Let us first ask why schedule templates. We use schedule templates as a short and easy way to show just the pertinent information of the items being scheduled in accordance to the project status in the lifespan of the project's development. We will be looking at this subject in the context of an architectural door schedule. The schedule types that we will be creating are conceptual design door schedule, design development door schedule, and construction documentation door schedule. Let us assume that the door schedule in front of us right now is a complete construction documentation door schedule. Why would we start here? Well, the reasoning I am using for this is that 1. It is easier to create schedules completely as you have envisioned them. I always sketch them out first. Second, this makes it easier to remove the irrelevant information, that is, to add information and then have to format it according to your schedule. Let's get started, shall we? First thing we do is come to the View panel in the Graphics pane. In the View Templates down arrow, Create Template from Current View. Call this one Construction Documentation Door Schedule. And say OK. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and copy this new one. Call this one Design Development. Door Schedule. And say OK. Once we have that completed, we come over here to the fields, edit fields, and we remove what we don't need in this point. And this is the head height, the jamb, and the finish here for the door itself. Say remove it. OK. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and create our third one by duplicating the one we just made, calling this one Conceptual Design Door Schedule. Okay. Once they're all that's created, we come over here to the Conceptual Design Door Schedule and we edit and remove what we don't need. In this case, we're just going to take all the frames out. Say OK and OK. Now we've created all three of our templates. All we have to do now is really come over here in the door schedule view, in the properties, view templates, open that up. We have all three available. We just switch them. Each and every one of them will then conform to our template. With that, we have achieved the end of our class. Hope you enjoy our small video. This is James Cuervo signing off till the next one, and thank you for watching.